Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to explore Oracle Cloud Infrastructure where we are going to deploy our NestJS application. So as we know that like students are already paying lakhs of amount for their education and like they have very much minimal amount left for experimenting this kind of things. So yeah, like also like there are new edge startups coming up and they also require an cloud infrastructure for handling their platform. So it is quite crucial, like if we get something for free on a trial basis and we can run it forever. So Oracle provides an free instance for our configuration. Uh, so you can like run your application on cloud. Okay, so you can just go to Oracle website and you can just deploy and test your application for free. So you can click on start for free and you can add your basic credentials here, and once you add all the details you will get an username and password from Oracle Cloud. Okay, now I will click on sign on. I have already set up two password authentication for it. This two factor authentication setup in my account. I will click on verify. So my I have logged in into my this my dashboard. Okay, so before you go on creating any instance, you can look into the networking part and setting up the VCN service. Okay, so once you go to the VCN, you will find a security tab here where we have a security list, and inside the security list like we have security rules, where we have to set up the ingress rules here. Okay, so here you are able to see that I have allowed port 3000 to uh, access the user traffic. Okay, and one more thing, you should also allow the port 22. This is for SSH login. So once you create any instance you will get a public private key, and by means of that you will be able to access your virtual machine. And this is for like the open end user traffic, and it is stateless in nature, so it doesn't hold any state. So I will so once the VCN is set up uh, in the networking part, you can go to the compute and click on instance. Okay, so there are no instance in my account. Now I am going to create an instance. Let us name it as NestJS demo app, something like this. And my region selected is Mumbai, so it will be hosted in the Mumbai region. And if I go to the advanced options, it has an on-demand capacity. If I go to image, I am able to select any of them, and the prices are free. Like you can select any of them. So I am taking an minimal instance. So here you are able to see the configuration that it is always free eligible, and it has one core OCPU and 1 GB memory and 0.48 gigabytes of network bandwidth. Now you can also add a script that will run your instant before your instance boots up or restart. Like if you are rebooting your instance, that script will run. Like you want to update all the npm package or the node version or anything like that, so you can run the update command before your instance starts. Okay, I will click on next. Here you are able to see the security configurations. So here we have the networking part. So as you are able to see that within the root compartment I already have one VCN configured and a subnet is also configured, so I won't require any configuration, any additional configuration. I will download a public private key uh, in my terminal here. I will click on next. So you can add attach a boot volume here, and you can like block a size for it. Then you can review your instance information. Whatever information that you have added is assigned to your instance, and you can click on view cost. So this estimate is for one instance running in the tenancy. Like if you are spinning up one instance, so it will charge around $2.62 a month. So estimate cost will increase with the increasing multiple instance running. Like if you have like a couple of 2 to 3 instances, the cost will increase linearly. So you can go to this cost analysis tool for better understanding how to scale up the things and impact of cost on this uh, cost of impact of cost on running an instance. So I will click on create. So my instance will uh, start, like it is in a provisioning state right now. Okay, now like until my instance starts, let us search for a couple of commands to install git node and npm or nvm in our virtual machine. So I want to install git in my ubuntu terminal. So install git in sorry git in ubuntu terminal. So just you have to add this command and your git is will be installed. Okay, so I will go to my terminal. I will go to the downloads folder where I have downloaded my public private key. Now by means of this command ssh -i, uh, I have a private key here, and the username and public IPv4 is like attached here. So do remember this command. Like, so connection is refused because the keys are not provided the right access within the system. So there is a command called cmode, and then you have to like uh, cmode command in ubuntu. Cmode ssh command. So it is like so the command is cmode 400 and you have to enter. You can also try this 600 thing. Okay, so once my keys are having the right access, I can enter the same command of ssh tunneling. it will ask for fingerprints, and if I click on yes, now I am there inside my virtual machine. So I am able to access my remote virtual machine in my local terminal. So this is the power, like how SSH keys provides a tunneling and a secure medium of accessing your virtual machine. Okay, so we will install git. So git is installed. I will check the version here. So it says like, so I have to run this command of updating my Ubuntu instance. So once all my packages are updated, I can install git. I can also install npm. So I have to hit this call, and then by means of this installation script I will be able to install nvm. Sorry. So my git is not installed. I have to install git again, and now my git is getting installed in my virtual machine. So once you are able to do configuration in any of the virtual machine, then like you will be able to do same thing in the AWS cloud infra or any other cloud architecture like this. So once I install the curl command, and I will install this nvm, which is like node version manager, and I need to expose it. So once I check my nvm version, it is installed. Now I will use nvm to install stable node version. So I can use this lts command to add a node version. So my node command is not found. Let me try if yeah, if it is returning nvm. I don't know what issue it says. While acha, so my command was faulty. So once I install this node version, I will just clone this repository so that I can run this in my virtual machine. So node is successfully installed. If I check my node version, it is 22.17.0. So till now we are good with it, and let us install npm in our Ubuntu machine. So this is the command. As we have already installed Node.js, we will just install npm. I think npm can also be used to install npm. I don't know, like, acha. So it also installs the Node package manager. NVMS like many benefits. So I will like go you through some details here until my package managers are getting installed. So I have a public IPv4 uh, like I will go to the networking part. So I am having a public IPv4 through which I will be able to access my application. I have a set of VCNs configured. If we go into the storage part, we have attached a block volume of 47 GB. So it is a boot volume through like you can expand it as per your requirement. And inside the security I haven't added any attributes. If any maintenance event you want to add, you can like add certain commands. You can add a logging module, compute instance monitoring, and guard overload protection module. For OS management, you can like uh, launch the shell connections. So like it is quite user friendly. The platform is uh, very much intuitive in that terms. You are able to see the statistics of CPU utilization, the memory utilization, the disk IO read and the write part. You are able to monitor the things here. Okay, you can add some custom logs here. uh, you can also see the work request, like what is the state of your instance, and you can also start and reboot your instance and terminate it. You can edit your configurations, and you can also replace the boot volume. So these are like couple of configurations available. Okay, so installation has reached 83%. I am quite excited here. So let us try what happens if I try to access this http what we can say IP address. So right now nothing is getting loaded, like uh, it says like we are not able to reach this port. Okay, so once our configuration happens, we will see a hello world application and our backend API will run into the server. uh, ju- uh, just wait for few minutes. uh, so I will deploy my application into the cloud infra. So if I am hitting the public IP, you are able to see certain logs are getting appended like this. uh, so like one instance running, and it will have like IP address and 1 GB memory allocated. So once the installation is done, yeah, we are mostly done with it. So let me just copy this https command for cloning. So it will as you are able to see that certain services are getting restarted. Okay, now I will just clone my repository. So this is a public repository, and by means of git clone command you are able to access it. So I have to go into the folder, and inside the package JSON you're able to see that I have a couple of scripts here. Okay, so I will do an npmi here. So inside the main controller, which is app.controller, I have an hello world instance, like hello world route at the base path. If I look into the module, it is just as a Swagger module being attached. I don't know, like it is attached at or be root level or not. No, I don't think so. My Swagger is not attached here, but no worries. We can look into those stuffs afterward. So my dependencies are installed. I will just run a build before starting my application. So it will create a nest build and to copy all the required assets. So once the build is created, you can start your application. So it has uh, attached all the assets in the dist folder. Now we can start our application. So my application is starting. So yeah, my application has started, and let me try hitting this port. So right now I am not able to access this port here. So should I like reboot the terminal, or I should have the firewall configurations here? So I think we should have the firewall configurations. So I will go to Oracle docs. So you can like surf through this and see if the Oracle no, not this one. uh, so let me just try rebooting my this I will reboot my instance. So here you are able to see that connections are off because my instance is getting stopped and restarted again. So let us wait till instance is getting started again. It will take hardly 1 minute. So our instance is in a running state again. I have to do this SSH login again. I don't know why the connections are refused in this host. It should allow me. Okay, so I am inside my terminal and I have restarted this thing. So let me see if I'm able to access my 3000 port here. Let me try hitting HTTPS. I think by default it will have the HTTP configuration only. Okay, so let us try hitting the firewall commands. So I will go through these docs. So here you will be able to find all those details. So you have to add this command to enable HTTP connection on port 3000. So it says command is not found. So just I need to surf through ChatGPT. So I need to install the so this command is also not found. You have to install this thing and then you will be able to allow the access for the port 3000. So let us try hitting this command instead. So rules are added. So let us check the status. Let us enable it. Now the firewall is active and is enabled on system startup. Now let us try hitting the command and let us see if just I need to check my networking part if my VCN is configured perfectly. So let us try hitting this. So again, like my instance is not getting accessed. So let us try let us try installing this specific package. Which is the firewall CMD. So it is unable to locate this package. So so what is the error we are getting? That this command is not found. So let me try starting this firewall service. Yeah, so you need to install this firewall D to so once your firewall installation is done, you can hit on this command to start your firewall D service. Then you can enable it and you can check the status. So here my status is active and it is running. Now you have to hit a very much important command, which is the uh, like which is to add the port 3000 TCP port here. So for me it is already enabled. You can add it for the first time and I will just reload it. Okay, so once my uh, firewall configuration is done, I can just start my terminal here. So once I start, I can hit this port 3000. So right now it is in not reached mode, and once my application is started, you are able to see the hello world being logged. So this is how you will deploy your NestJS application to the cloud server, and I hope you find this video useful. So thanks for watching it. Do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.